If you've ever opened ChatGPT and felt confused about what to do next, this video is going to change that for you. Most people try it once, get average results, and then quietly stop using it. Not because the tool is difficult, but because nobody showed them how to use it properly from the start. And when something feels unclear, it is easy to assume it is not for you. But the truth is, this tool is simple once you understand how to approach it. In the next few minutes, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to set up ChatGPT and use it in a simple, practical way that actually works in real life. By the end of this video, you will understand the screen in front of you, know exactly what to type, and get your first useful result without guessing. You will stop feeling stuck and start feeling confident using it. You do not need any technical skills for this. You do not need any background knowledge. You just need to follow along step by step and stay with me until the end. Let's start from the very beginning. Open your browser and search for ChatGPT. Click on the official website and create a free account. You can sign up using your email, your Google account, or your Apple account. Choose whichever is easiest for you. Once you are logged in, you will land on the main screen. Now pause for a moment and look at it. Do not rush past this step. Do not start clicking everything. Do not try to understand every feature at once. This is where most beginners make their first mistake. They try to learn everything at the same time and end up feeling overwhelmed. You do not need to do that. There are only 3 things you need to understand right now. Everything else can wait. The first thing is the chat box at the bottom of the screen. This is where everything happens. This is where you type your request. Think of this as your control center. Anything you want ChatGPT to do starts here. The second thing is the large area in the middle of the screen. This is where ChatGPT gives you answers. It will respond to whatever you type in the chat box. You will see your question appear, and then the answer will appear below it. It feels like a conversation. The third thing is the sidebar on the left. This shows your previous chats. If you come back tomorrow and want to continue something you started today, you can find it there. You can click any previous chat and pick up where you left off. That is all you need to understand at this stage. Ignore everything else. You do not need to explore settings. You do not need to understand advanced tools. You do not need to click random buttons. Your only focus right now is learning how to type clearly. Now let me show you the biggest mistake beginners make. This one mistake is the reason most people think ChatGPT does not work well. They type things like help me. They type give me ideas. They type write something for me. These instructions are too vague. They are not clear enough. When you give vague instructions, you get vague results. And when the result is not useful, it feels like the tool is not good. But the truth is very simple. The problem is not the tool. The problem is how the instruction was written. Think of ChatGPT like a very smart assistant. If you walk up to an assistant and say, help me, they will not know what to do. They will need more information. But if you say write an email to a customer apologizing for a late delivery and keep it polite and short, they can do that perfectly. The same thing applies here. The clearer you are, the better the result will be. So let's fix this right now with a simple example. Open ChatGPT and type this. Explain how to use ChatGPT in simple terms for a complete beginner and give examples I can try today. Press enter and wait for the response. Now look at what you get. You will notice that the answer is structured. It is easy to read. It gives you steps. It feels like someone is guiding you. Now let's improve that slightly. Type this next. Explain how to use ChatGPT for beginners. Use simple language and give 3 real-life examples. Press enter again. Now compare the 2 answers. They are similar, but the second one feels more focused. It is clearer. It gives you exactly what you asked for. This is your first breakthrough moment. Small changes in your prompt can create a big difference in your results. Now I want to give you a simple formula you can use every time you type something into ChatGPT. This will make everything easier for you moving forward. The formula is what, who, and how. First, what do you want? Second, who is it for? Third, how should it be written? Let me show you how this works in practice. Instead of typing write an email, you type write a polite email to a customer, asking for feedback, and keep it friendly and professional. Now ChatGPT knows exactly what to do. It knows the task, the audience, and the tone. Instead of typing give me ideas, you type give me 5 business ideas for a busy mum who wants to work from home using her phone. Now the ideas will be more relevant, they will be more practical, they will feel tailored to a real situation. This is how you move from average results to useful results. Now let's build your confidence with a few practice prompts. I want you to type these one by one and read the responses carefully. Start with this. List 5 ways ChatGPT can help me save time in my daily life. Look at the answer. You will probably see ideas like writing emails faster, planning your day, generating content, and organizing tasks. These are things you can use immediately. Now type this. Write a short Instagram caption for a small business selling handmade candles and make it warm and engaging. Look at how natural the caption sounds. Look at how it flows. This is something you could post straight away. Now type one more. Create a simple daily routine for someone who wants to be more productive without feeling overwhelmed. Again, look at the structure. Look at how clear it is. Look at how easy it is to follow. You are starting to see the pattern now. This tool becomes powerful when you give it clear direction. Now let me explain something you might come across as you continue learning. You might hear people talk about custom instructions in ChatGPT. This simply means you can tell ChatGPT how you want it to respond to you. For example, you can tell it to always use simple language. You can tell it to give step-by-step answers. You can tell it to act like a teacher or a business coach. Once you set that, it remembers your preference and responds in that style. You do not need to set this up right now, but it is useful to know that it exists and that you can use it later to save time. Now let's bring everything you have learned into real life, because this is where the real value is. Imagine a busy mum trying to organize her week. She has work, children, and home responsibilities. It feels overwhelming. Instead of trying to plan everything in her head, she opens ChatGPT and types "create a simple weekly plan for a busy mum, managing work, kids, and home tasks." Within seconds, she has a clear structure she can follow that removes stress and saves time. Now imagine a freelancer who needs to reply to a client. He wants to sound professional, but does not want to spend too long writing the message. He types "write a professional message to a client, asking for an update on a project, and keep it polite." The message is ready in seconds. He can copy it, adjust it slightly if needed, and send it. Now imagine a small business owner trying to stay active on social media. She knows she needs to post, but she does not know what to write. She types "write 5 Instagram captions to promote a weekend sale for my clothing business." Now she has multiple options to choose from. She can post consistently without stress. This is how ChatGPT becomes useful. Not when you use it randomly, but when you use it to solve real problems in your daily life. Now let me say something important. A lot of people search for the best AI for writing. They want something that can help them write faster and better. The reason ChatGPT is so popular is because it does exactly that. But there is a condition. It only works well if you guide it properly. If you give weak instructions, you get weak results. If you give clear instructions, you get strong results. So instead of thinking this tool is either good or bad, think of it as something that improves based on how you use it. Now, before you leave this video, I want you to take action. Do not skip this step. Open ChatGPT and type this. Give me 3 ways I can use ChatGPT today based on my daily routine. Read the answer carefully, pick one suggestion, just one, then use it today. Maybe it is writing an email, maybe it is planning your day, maybe it is creating content. Whatever it is, do it today, because watching is not enough. You need to use it. That is how you build confidence. That is how you start seeing results. If this is the first time ChatGPT has actually made sense to you, then you are on the right path. And this is just the beginning. In the next lesson, I am going to show you how to write prompts that get powerful and consistent results every single time. This is where everything starts to click. Make sure you subscribe so you do not miss it. And if you want step-by-step support where everything is broken down in a simple way and you are guided from beginner to confident user, we can help you inside Digital Skills Academy. You will find the link in the description. Remember this, you do not need to be technical to use this tool. You do not need to be an expert. You just need to be clear, practice a little, and apply it to real situations. That is how you save time. That is how you improve your work, And that is how you start getting real results. Now, if you are watching this and thinking, this is helpful, but I still want someone to guide me step by step and show me exactly how to use this to save time and even make money, then this is for you. Inside Digital Skills Academy, we break everything down in a simple way and show you how to use tools like ChatGPT for real results. You will learn practical workflows, real use cases, and how to turn this into a skill you can use daily or even offer as a service. If you want that level of support, check the link in the description and join Digital Skills Academy today. If this video helped you understand ChatGPT clearly, make sure you subscribe, because in the next lesson, I will show you how to write prompts that get powerful and consistent results every time. You do not need to be technical, you just need to be clear, practice a little, and apply it to real life. That is how you get real results. I will see you in the next lesson.